الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Al-Quran, chapter 22, verse 27. وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ, and call the people, an-nas, to pilgrimage. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. The sixth pillar of Islam is Hajj, pilgrimage. How is it possible for the entire humanity, an-nas, to perform a major pilgrimage? The spiritual revolution, personal resurrection of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was the major pilgrimage, Hajj Akbar, for all the people, an-nas. Here, the word an-nas is used for the representative particles of the people of the entire world. All the spiritual powers did their respective work in Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam's personal world by the command of God that invited the representative particles of the people of the entire humanity to it, and it continues through every divine guide and the Imam of the time. Let's reflect upon the word an-nas. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.